This right here, guys, is the red wine peach Bellini. I love the colors on this because it's so cool, okay? So, we blend in some ice here with frozen peach slices, some peach snaps, some peach puree. Got enough peach up in here. Blend. Okay, so that's our peach mix that we can pour in. Look how smooth and creamy that bad boy is, right? Come behind with some Chambord, which we just pour over the top gently. Okay, that's raspberry liqueur. And then some red wine on top of that, okay? Then we stick a peach in it just so because we can. Nice little peach wedge, bring out the eyes. And there you have it, the red wine peach Bellini, okay? Awesome, fun, super cool drink. Take a little sip, okay? Bite the top off. Give Anna a chance to try it. Awesomeness, cool. She's a vegan, I guess, so she's just having the fruits. I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, stay tipsy for all your drinking needs. TipsyBartender.com.